Meaning of envoy.
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 Envoy. Envoy typically refers to a representative or messenger assigned to conduct diplomatic or official business on behalf of a government or organization. An envoy serves as a liaison between two parties, fostering communication and negotiating agreements. In addition to diplomacy, envoys may be responsible for promoting cultural exchange, facilitating trade relations, and providing intelligence. They play an important role in international affairs by building bridges and resolving conflicts. Overall, envoys are key players in maintaining peaceful and productive relationships among nations and groups.